The wind in Bhopal didn't smell like a warning. It smelled like boiled cabbage, right before the world went silent. How could a single mechanical failure turn a sleeping city into the site of the world's worst industrial disaster in less than 60 minutes? Bhopal, 1984. The city was home to a massive pesticide plant owned by Union Carbide. At the time, chemicals were seen as the key to feeding the planet. But on the night of December 2nd, the sleeping giant woke up. Inside the factory, water had entered a storage tank filled with 42 tons of methyl isocyanate, or mic. A violent chemical reaction began, heating the tank from the inside out. Critical safety systems, the refrigeration, the scrubbers, and the flare towers were reportedly turned off or non-functional. Just after midnight, the tank cracked. A thick plume of toxic gas surged into the night sky. Because mic is heavier than air, it didn't float away. It poured down like a heavy river, drifting into the crowded neighborhoods just outside the factory gates. By 1 a.m., thousands woke up gasping, their eyes burning like acid. In the panic, people ran, but breathing faster only meant inhaling more poison. By dawn, the hospitals were overwhelmed. The world woke up to a scene of total chaos. Investigators later found a chain of failures. The refrigeration meant to keep the chemicals stable had been shut down to save costs. While the government blamed poor maintenance, Union Carbide claimed sabotage by a disgruntled worker. The truth remains a subject of intense debate. The tragedy didn't end that night. For survivors, it became a lifelong struggle with lung damage and chronic illness. Today, the factory stands as a rusted skeleton. Nature is reclaiming the iron, but the toxic legacy remains in the soil and water for a new generation. Bhopal reminds us that progress must never come at the cost of human safety. It changed global laws and corporate ethics forever, but for the people of Bhopal, the clock is still stuck on that December night. Do not forget to subscribe.